Stop scrolling. If you need a quick comfort meal, this is it. Want to know my secret to super cheesy creamy pasta? Let's go. Let's cook the macaroni. Add your macaroni to boiling water with a little salt and oil that stop it from sticking. Let the boil until the dent, and while it's cooking, we prepare the veggies. I am using red and green capsicum and some onion for a perfect mix of crunch and flavor. Chopping it all up into small pieces for easy cooking. Okay, pasta done. Drain it and give it a quick rinse with cold water to stop the cooking process. Time for the sauce. Start with some oil, then add chopped ginger and garlic to infuse the oil with flavor. Now the key of thickness. Add 1 tablespoon of maida and cook it out. Then melt it some butter. Pour in about 2 cups of milk while stirring constantly to avoid lumps. We want a smooth sauce. For the beautiful orange color, mix in some pizza sauce or tomato puree, or you can add pasta and pizza sauce. Next, toss in the sweet corn and all the chopped vegetable. Season with salt, black pepper and a dash of oregano for that classic Italian taste. Stir everything together until the veggies slightly soften and coated in the creamy sauce. Add the boiled macaroni and mix well, making sure every piece is covered in that rich sauce. I am adding a splash of milk here to get that perfect loose consistency. And you can have cheesy pasta without a sprinkle of mozzarella cheese. Look at that deliciousness. Give it one last mix and it's ready. Plate it up and enjoy this super satisfying creamy pasta.